Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only nothing. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. Maharashtra wants Kamra to apologize for joke on Shinde. Kunal Kamra, Vinay Deshpande Pandit write this article. Purnima Saha, Mumbai. The Maharashtra government on Monday said comedian Kunal Kamra should apologized for comment on Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde during a show, calling it a political contract act. The government said it would also check his call, data record, and bank statement to ascertain who is behind this. A first information report has been registered against the stand-up comedian by Shiv Sena MLA Murji Patel under Section 3531B, 3532, and 35C6 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita at the MIDC police station in Mumbai. Structure demolished. Meanwhile, the Brian Mumbai Municipal Corporation raised the illegal structure outside the Habitat studio where the show was held and said it would screen the location for further illegality. The issue also rocked the assembly as leader from the ruling Mayuti alliance demanded action in both the houses. Of corporation can't be allowed to turn into arbitrariness. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said Mr. Kamra could not save himself for his sins by showing Rahul Gandhi's constitution. Mr. Fadnavis said the action came amid opposition criticism against the government over its intolerance or to joke. Earlier in the day, the Mumbai police arrested 12 Shiv Senics, including Shiv Sena's social media in charge Rahul Kennel over the vandalism of the Continental Hotel in Khar, where the comedy show was performed. They were released on bail in a few hours. The way stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra has tried to insult Eknath Shinde, we condemned it. The people of Maharashtra have decided in the 2024 election as who is a Gaddar traitor and who is a Khuddar self-respected person. Everyone has the right to do comedy, but if there is an intentional effort to insult and defame a top leader, it was not be tolerated. Proper legal action will be taken. Kunal Kamra should apologize, Mr. Fadnavis said. The Shiv Sena UBT came out in support of the comedian with Uddhav Thackeray saying calling a Gaddar is not an attack. The Congress hit out at the government after the Shiv Senics took law in their own hands. Your sentiments get hurt so easily. You can't take law in your hands. Why are you so scared of comment and criticism? We don't support his vandalism at all. It is against freedom of speech. It is against the constitution, said Congress leader Atul Londhe. This is picture from Jammu Tulip Runway. To touch up a gardener work at the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden, Asia largest tulip garden in Srinagar on Sunday, housing a floor carpet of 70 lakh tulip of 74 varieties. The garden will welcome visitors from Wednesday. The hike in the salary of the member of the parliament 24%. The centre notifies a 24% hike in the salary of member of the parliament from April 1st 2023 based on the cost inflation index. The notification issued by the Ministry of Parliament Affairs also increased daily allowances for sitting member and person. Number of government officials dismissed in Odisha in last 5 years. 120. The Odisha government had dismissed 120 employees and give compulsory retirement to 39 officials over the past 5 years for including a corruption. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manji said the state has also seized asset worth 59.47 crore rupee from them. Private capex share in India's gross fixed capital formation 13%. Domestic rating agency ICRA said private capital expenditure share in overall investment in the economy dipped to a low of 33% in financial year 24. Listed corporates increased their capex spending by 28% in financial year 23 and 12% in financial year 24, but unlisted entities experience a contraction elections in financial year 24. Number of protesters, detentions, arrest of Erdogan rivals. 1100 police have detained more than 1100 people, including journalists, since the arrest of the president. Erdogan main rival triggered some of Turkey was unrest in year. The protest began in Istanbul after Ekrem Imamoglu arrested last week. Water level of Naini Lake in Nainital drops parking concern. 4.7 feet. The water level of Naini Lake, considered the lifeline of Nainital, has dropped to 4.7 feet, the lowest in 5 years, causing concern among residents. Little rain and snow all in the tourist town have increased chance to the lake hitting a record low. Dubai. USA airstrike targeting Yemen's Houthi kill at least one in Sana'a. USA airstrike targeting Yemen's Houthi rebels pounded site across the country into Monday, with the group saying the one attack in the capitals of Sana'a killed at least one person and wounded more than a dozen others. The American strikes had entered its 10th day without a sign of stopping. Deir al-Bala, UN to reduce staff in Gaza, blames Israel for strike that kills staffer. The UN will reduce its footprint in the Gaza Strip after the Israeli tank strike hit one of its compound last week, killing one staffer and wounding five others. The UN will cut back about a third of its 100 international staffer in Gaza. Israel had denied it was behind the March 90 explosion at the UN guest house. Kiev, Ukraine's railway grapples with a sophisticated cyber attack. The Ukraine National Railway operator said on Monday that it was battling a sophisticated cyber attack for a second day running. It did not say who or what was behind the attack and said its services were continuing uninterrupted. Online ticket sales were enabled over the weekend and into Monday. Maikuta, Venezuelans flown home as USA deportation flights resume. Venezuela on Monday received nearly 2,000 citizens deported from the USA via Honduras as President Donald Trump cracked down on undocumented foreigners. A plane carrying the deporters touched down early on Monday at Maikuta International Airport outside the capital Caracas. It was the latest in a string of repatriations. Fall and rise. Be prepared for a roller coaster ride under the leadership Aksar. An SC Statics DC skipper Akshar Patel said that in his tenure as skipper, one should be prepared for a roller coaster ride. Be prepared for it now. It is going to be like only under my leadership. Things will see be up and down little now that we have won. People will not complain about why I gave that over two stubs 28 runs, said Akshar. Shift in momentum. The Ashutosh Vipral stand took the game away from us Pant. LCG's keeper Pant credited the crucial partnership for DC's turnaround. He allowed Stubbs, who set the ball rolling before it was carried forward by Ashutosh and Vipraj in pitch. The one between Stubbs and Ashutosh and did other between Ashutosh and Vipraj. Vipraj did not good job and took the game away from us. Thinking big, Punjab Kings ready to play some brave cricket, say Haddin. We are very excited about the talent we have. They are very athletic. They are going to be brave cricket team, and since the overseas players have come back in the squad, it has just complemented everything. They are ready to play some brave cricket. Punjab King assistant coach Brad Haddin about the plan for IPL 18. Top 4. The no problem with Butler batting at different positions, say Gill. If you have someone like him, Butler, in your team, no team would think of it as a problem. We have all seen that he has done in T20 cricket for England in the IPL and in the previous series. He batted at number 3 now, so I don't think there is any problem with him batting at different number. Titans captain Shubham Gill. Now your English from the archives. This is our daily English session. K. Subramaniam Upendra. Why are you eating only the apple? Have some grapes as well. I prefer apple than grapes. You always prefer something to something else. For example, I prefer t-shirt to shirt. My rather prefer idlis to dosas. Really, my father prefer Carnatic music to pop music. Excellent example. But remember, the stress is on the second syllabus of prefer. So it's prefer. I think I prefer Madhuri to Madhuri again. When are you going to divorce myself? But I am not even married. You don't have to be married to get a divorce. You know what, you are joking, right? No, I am quite serious. You see, the word divorce can be used in different way. It can be used to mean the formal ending of a marriage. For example, everyone want to know the Prince Charles is going to divorce Lady D. Another meaning of the word divorce is separation between two things. In many countries, it is impossible to divorce politics from corruption. Meanwhile, politics and corruption go together. They cannot be separated. Exactly, a true patriot will divorce himself herself from regional consideration. And what do I have to divorce myself from? The Madhuri Mania that has grabbed you, that I am afraid will be very difficult for me to do. I am sure it will be. You mean you understand? I read you loud and clear. Read me loud and clear. What does it mean? It means understand what you are telling me. For example, if somebody say I want this job done by next week, do you understand? You can reply I read you loud and clear. So when somebody explains something and at the end he she asks do you understand, can I say I read loud and clear? You most certainly can. Published in the Hindu on November 14, 1995. So guys, this is our today daily quiz. Sunil Chatterjee came out of retirement and scored a goal for India against the Maldives last week. Here is a quiz on athletes who came out of retirement. Vignesh P. Venkatesh make this quiz. Question number 1. The East American athlete announced his retirement in 1993 at the age of 30 but came back to the court in 1995 with a two-word press release. Who is the and what was his statement? Question number 2. Name the Pakistan cricketer who announced a conditional retirement in 2011 in protest against the country's cricketing board. Question number 3. Name the most decorated Olympian who announced retirement in 2012 and returned 2 years later. Question number 4. The Brazilian fullback announced his retirement in 2012 but returned to the field for a brief stint with an Indian Super League team. Name the player and the team. Question number 5. This tennis player with 18 singles Grand Slam title retired in 1994 but made a comeback 6 years later and won 2 mixed doubles Grand Slam in 2003. Who is she? Visual question. The Formula 1 racers on the left came back from near fatal injury to finish the season second in 1976. He retired in 1979 with a 2 F1 title and came back in 1982 winning a third title. Who 2 years later? Who is he? This is previous day quiz answer. Question and answer to the previous day quiz daily quiz. This composer composed 6 concerts called the Brandenburg Concert. John Sebastian Bach. Name the last and longest reigning monarch of the House of Tudor. Elizabeth I. The World Health Organization observes March 24 as this day the World Tuberculosis Day. This Asian kingdom of Shalika and democracy on March 24. Bhutan. The daring escape by some Allied prisoner who of war from the German camp Stegler Gulf 3 dramatized in this film. Answer. The Great Escape. This famous trained city of Carnatic music was born on March 24. Answer. Mathu Swami Dikshit. Visual identity. The man he did this match March 24-28 year ago. Morarji Desai became the first non-Congress Prime Minister. Early word who give the answer is this. So guys, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.